Let's see how you can install the latest version of PIP on your Windows machine. First of all, there are two cases we need to consider. If you already have PIP installed and you want to update PIP, and second case is if you don't have PIP installed and you directly want to install the latest version of PIP. So first, let's see how we can install the latest version of PIP if you don't have PIP installed. And let's check my Python version. As you can see, my Python version is 3.11.4. Now to download pip for Python 3.11.4, you need to go to this URL. You need to download this file get-pip.py. Now this file will work for anything over Python 3.7 for now. If you want to install for Python version less than 3.7, click pip and you can go inside any of these folders and then download the specific file. But for now, let us download this one that will install pip for Python 3.11. So I'll right click this and I'll click save link as and just save it wherever you want. Now I have saved this in desktop, so let me refresh this, and as you can see it is available for me right now. Now what you can do is hold shift and right click and click on open PowerShell window here, or if you can see open command prompt here, just click on open command prompt window here. So I click on this. Now this will open terminal in desktop, as you can see here. So terminal is open inside desktop folder. Now we need to run this file using Python. So how do you run this? You just hit Python get-pip.py. Now if you have multiple Python versions but you want to install it for Python 3.11, what you can do is type Python 3.11 and then run get-pip.py. If you can hit enter, if you have Python 3.11 in your path, it will work, but I don't have it, so I'll just type Python get-pip.py as we saw earlier. This is Python 3.11 itself. Now hit enter and this will install pip for Python 3.11. As you can see, it is showing successfully installed pip. Now we can clear screen and you can install any package using pip like this, pip install and package name here. For now, let me install NumPy. So in this way you can install pip, and after you have installed pip you can install packages like this. Now if you already have pip installed and you want to upgrade pip, just press Windows key and type cmd, and first let's check what version of pip we have. So we can check that by using this command. As you can see, we have pip 23.2.1. Now let's upgrade this version. So to do that, type this command. Once you have written this command, hit enter and this will upgrade your pip. So as you can see now, pip is being upgraded. Now as you can see, it is showing successfully installed pip 23.3. So if we check the pip version again, and you will notice that it is upgraded to 23.3 from 23.2.1. So this is how we can upgrade pip version if you already have a pip version installed. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.